Yeah. Yeah. Sorry guys. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Terry. Hope you're all doing fine. So today I'll be showing you guys how I refresh and like maintain my knotless braids. So basically I'm just going to show you guys how I maintain my hair throughout the week and how I refresh it during the morning time so that it can still look fresh and nice. This is how my hair is right now. I had this tied up last night and this is how I tie my hair up at night. I just tie like the base of it and I have my hair out. Sometimes I'll add this scarf to the end of these braids, but while I sleep it does tend to slip off, so most times I don't bother with it. I just tie up here where my roots are. And this is what my hair is looking like, guys. I had these knotless in for 2 weeks and I want to wear it for 1 more week, so I'm just, I'm trying to stretch it as much as possible. No, I did not install these knotless braids myself. I had them professionally done. If I can, I will insert the name of the hairdresser that I went, so you guys can check her out on Instagram and so on. Okay, but I am so in love with these knotless braids. They are so pretty, beautiful. I did add in some like accessories and I do have beads at the end. So if you guys are in that click click sound, it's the beads. I just wanted to like, zazz it up some more. So yeah, I haven't washed my hair in 2 weeks and I am going for a 3rd week. It's my first time ever stretching my hair so long without ever washing it. I do not have like a lot of build up. My hair is just kind of dry right now because I did not moisturize it yesterday. So I'm just gonna go ahead and moisturize and do my edges and refresh. So let's get into that. So you guys know, or you guys have heard me say that my hair frizz a lot. So far you guys can see a little bit of frizz, but because I had it tied down, it's kind of like down right now. So to kind of like wake my hair up, I'm just gonna spritz my hair with this leave-in conditioner. This is the Argan oil from Morocco, Strength and Shine leave-in conditioner. Some of the words are gone. Like this tends to happen over time, like the word just disappear. So it's my liquid leave-in conditioner. And I just lightly mist my hair, not too much to like drench my hair for it to like get really fuzzy, but mostly like in the partings. And guys, this hairstyle is so long lasting, like seriously. After I spritz my hair with that leave-in conditioner, I'm just kind of like gonna rub that down. And I do not have any problem with itching, guys, so no, my scalp does not itch, even though I did not wash it like for 2 weeks now. It is not itching at all because I do keep my hair well moisturized. I moisturize like every other day. I don't add too much like heavy products to my hair. So these that I'm showing you guys, this is what I use every other day to moisturize my hair, and my scalp does not itch at all. Probably just a little bit, but that's when I sweat mostly, but for the most part it's fine. So now I'm going in with my wild growth hair oil. So I just like squeeze into my parting areas. And with this hairstyle, it's super easy to moisturize your scalp because your scalp is like showing for the most part, so you can get oil like all over your scalp and moisturize that. Oh, that feels so good. And then I just go in with my Blue Magic. So this is a castor oil Blue Magic, originals. I just take about this much. Hope you guys can see this. And then I kind of like just drag it over my hair. And that's basically it. So that's how I moisturize and seal my hair. Alright, so now that my hair is moisturized, I just kind of like put my hair up into the style that I would want to wear it for that day. Alright, so I'm just gonna put my hair back for now so that I can work on my edges. This is Nitro Canada Ear Wax and this is in Blueberry. So I'm just gonna take a little bit of this and put around my edges. So now that I kind of have my edges like swooped for the perimeter of my head, I'm just gonna go ahead and refreshing them without taking down my braids. So I'm just gonna take this one here. As you guys can see, I do have new growth right here. So I'm just gonna brush my hair, and I'm taking the Aunt Jackie's Don't Shrink. This is a flaxseed elongating curling gel. I'm just gonna use just a little bit of that right towards the root and like twist my hair to give it this illusion that it is freshly done. So I'm just gonna put that there. And I don't do this every day, guys, because by adding gel to your hair, eventually you will have product build up. So since this is my last week that I'll be wearing my hair like this, I will go ahead and add gel to that. Kind of twist the hair so that it looks like this. Hope you guys can see that. Then I just put that down. So I'm just going to do this on the front part of my hair as well as the parting right here. So already you guys kind of can see that the difference. So right here looks more refreshed than over on this side here. So I'm just gonna do this side now. So as you guys can see, that the front of my hair looks way more defined and refreshed. Okay, so once I do that, I go ahead and I style my hair. So I'd either wear it down like this with so I'll either wear it like this with these two on the sides going back so that I can hold my hair into place and that twist that I made to the root won't be unraveled. So you guys could go for a half up, half down, but the way that I'll be styling my hair today, I'll be wearing my hair up. So I'm just gonna do that. So I'm just gonna get my hair up. So I basically just like flip my hair over, get my hair tied, so I basically like tie my hair up like this, like right on top of my head, and then I just go like this. And this right here just give me this 90s vibe that I really love. Take one braid from the back and I wrap that around the base. So once I do that, I just like fix my edges again if they need fixing, and then I go ahead and I tie my edges down and I leave that for a bit so that it can lay and set. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do my makeup, guys, and I'll be back with the final reveals for you guys. this is the finished result with my hair, guys. As you guys can see, like my baby hairs are curled up. That's just how they are. They're unruly. If you're new to this channel, they are unruly. If you're holy what a goodie, you guys know the struggle with these edges right here. They have a mind of their own, so they're coiled up. It's still cute, so I just let them be, you know. But the main thing is like the parts that like I refresh in the front. So as you guys can see, like towards the front where I like kind of twisted, it's not as fuzzy as before, and it's looking really neat. And this is the style that I'm going for today. So yeah. Sorry guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, learn something, learn how to like maintain or like, you know, refresh your knotless braids. Also, very simple for the nighttime routine. As I said before, I don't usually like moisturize my hair towards nighttime. I just basically like pull my hair down and I just tie the base of my hair. Sometimes I tie the end, but it slips off in the night, so I don't bother with it most times. So that's just how I maintain that night. And every other day I moisturize my hair so as to not have itching problems, because I know some persons struggle with itching whenever they do braids and so on, or whenever they have in like any hair extension. Some persons suffer with itching or flaking or so on, so keeping your hair moisturized can help with that. As far as like washing my hair, I did not wash my hair with this style. As I said, I'm 2 weeks in. I'm starting my 3rd week today, so yeah, so far and my hair don't smell, so if it did, I would know. My spouse would let me know, guys. So my hair does not smell at the moment, but you know, I'm stretching it to 3 weeks, and so far I really like the way that this hairstyle is. It is super light, easy to maintain, guys, and it's not super heavy either. It got heavy when I added the beads, like seriously. It is not heavy. When your hair is like finished, same time you can always just put your hair in any direction you want. There is little to no tension at all with this knotless braid. So basically that's everything you need to know with the knotless braid, how to maintain, how you can style it, and so on. So I hope you guys learned something today. I hope you learned something new. If you guys did, please give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I will definitely see you guys in my next video. Peace.